What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the refresh rate of your display on Windows 11. So the first thing that we need to do is to go to search bar right here and to search for display settings. And as you can see it's right here. What we want to do now is to click on it. And now we have to scroll down a little bit till we see related settings and advanced display. And here we will see the display information and refresh rate. Now we want to select our display. For me it's display number 2, like so. And as you can see now, we have the option to choose a refresh rate. For me it's now on 165 Hertz, but I can change it to 60, like so. I'm gonna keep the settings and now it's on 60, and let's change it back to 165. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.